How to combine two Instagram accounts into one. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To combine the two Instagram accounts into one, it is actually pretty simple. First and foremost, launch your Instagram app in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. If you have not yet, just enter your credential and log in. Once you are in your Instagram profile, at the top, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, you can select on the three horizontal line at the top. Now from here, select on Account Center. You will see the option of profiles at the top, tap on it. Here you'll find all of the profile that you manage with your main account. Now if you wish to combine any other account, just click on Add Account. After which you will see any of the existing account if you have in your device, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the Continue button. If you already have an existing one, just tap on the given account and tap on Continue. After that, you can go ahead and enter the birthday and finish off the rest of the criteria. After which, you'll be able to successfully add or combine two of the Instagram account into one, which means you can use the same credential in order to log in of the Instagram account as well. So this is how you combine two of the Instagram account into one. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.